My dear viewers, what were the top 5 repairs on Barbie from Germany this year? That's the question of today's video. I'm Barbie from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. My number 5 is this Peruvian Barbie. She had the problem of sticky legs, and she was one of the first videos I made this year about how to treat sticky legs, and that's my number 5 repair this year of 2021. So this dress came to me in an awful condition and I had to repair it, and that's my top 4 of the repairs 2021. The dress had a gigantic hole here and I repaired it, and now the dress can be worn again by one of my Ponytail Barbies. My number 3 is this Spanish Barbie. We did a double repair in this video. She was the second part. I also did a reroute of her sister, which you can also see in the video that I'm going to link you above. And this part is the repaint that I made this year, and that's my number 3. My number 2 of 2021 is the repair of my Ponytail Swirl Barbie, which I made in January-February for you. And you can see she became a lovely doll, and I'm also going to link you the video above. So this is my number 1 project for this year. This was the most time-consuming project for this year. That's the Francie No Bangs repair project, which I also did in the last weeks, and I think she is the greatest project that I did this year, because it was not only time consuming but also very helpful to me to learn how to recreate this no bangs style, because I always wanted to know how this works, but I have never done it before, and this has been my first project to recreate this hairstyle. I think she's looking great for my first time. What do you think?